We are pleased to show you the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior teal makes this the perfect vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, Bluetooth, ventilated front seats, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power tilting steering wheel, compass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.